Welcome back to one more interesting and useful video. Subscribe this channel and turn on the notification to get a regular update. In this video you will know about CBSE board exam, JEE Main and NEET latest update about date, syllabus and other important detail. Amid rising confusion over the date of CBSE board exam, JEE Main and NEET, Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank has recently announced that he will address the queries regarding this exam on December 3. Pokhriyal has urged the students, parents and stakeholders to post their query or concern with hashtag Education Minister Goes Live on Twitter. If you have any doubt, you can post on Twitter with the hashtag Education Minister Goes Live. A campaign will be launched by the Minister of Education to seek views from students, parents and teachers on how and when to conduct the exam next year. The Education Minister tweeted after a high-level review meeting. Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal tweet is showing on your screen. He tweeted that it was also decided that DGNTA will come out with the syllabus for competitive exam after assessment of the existing scenario in various boards. A campaign will be launched by the Education Minister of India to seek views from students, parents and teachers on how and when to conduct the exam next year. It is to be noted that the academic session 2020-21 has been badly hampered due to the lockdown imposed by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi to curb the spread of coronavirus in India. CBSE and several other boards have already reduced the syllabus, but it is still not easy for schools to finish the reduced syllabus within the time. Lack of students preparing for competitive exam like JEE Main or NEET etc. also struggling to finish the syllabus on time. It is to be noted that no education in the syllabus of JEE Main and NEET has been announced yet. It is to be noted that CBSE has recently released newspapers for students preparing for 2021 CBSE class 10th and 12th board exam. The CBSE is yet to make any official announcement regarding the dates of board exam, but it is expected that the CBSE would hold the exam on time. To boost student preparation, CBSE has released a new question paper design and the evaluation scheme for the class 10th board exam. Those preparing for board exam can visit the CBSE official website cbseacademic.in and check the sample paper and marking scheme. Besides, sample paper for class 12th chemistry among other subjects have also been released. Share this video with your friends so that they also get benefit by this video. Thank you for watching this video.